Hi, welcome back to my journal journey. Today I'm looking at advent calendars. So this year I bought a 24-day advent calendar from Being Bethany Rose. On top of that, I also got, which is the blue envelopes, 12 days of vinyl stickers. So I've just attached them together. So every even number on the advent calendar has a vinyl sticker with it. I'm really excited for the start of December to start opening them, which happens to be tomorrow. Yay! It did get me thinking about doing my own advent calendar, which I saw on Joshi Corinne's channel, that she was looking at ideas of making your own advent calendar. I realised that I had some stripy bags from a big order that I did on Amazon years and years ago, and I'm still getting through them. They're great for wrapping up gifts for school, but I thought I'd put these to use. I've got the two colours, the pink and the red, so I thought I'd utilise both. I've also got 25 number stickers, which I got from Hobbycraft last year. So I'm going to use those for my advent calendar. This is going to be for 2025 because I am very good at remembering stuff if I did it in November. So I thought if I pack up some of my goodies from Journal Say and do it for 2025, I'll still love the products just as much, but hopefully I would have kind of forgotten about what I bought, just to make it more exciting. So some of the items that I'll be packing up will be these stickers, some of the tapes, and I'm going to start out with a freebie gift, which is all about Christmas. So I thought that'll be really nice for day number one. Hopefully the bags aren't too see-through. I know that that can be a bit of an issue. I just hope I remember that I've made this calendar for next year. I'm just going to fold the bag over. I might go and get some stickers because I've got so many Christmas stickers that really could do with going out of my collection, but I just can't part with them because I spent money on them. I'm going to go and see what I can find. Okay, so I've dug around my sticker collection, and a lot of these are just from Tesco's, just gift tags and stuff, but I'm just going to use them as some really cute designs that will be fun, just to add a little something else. So I'm going to close the bags with these stickers, and because this is the gift box, I am going to make it number one. For my advent calendar. The rest I'm just going to put randomly. So I've just finished packing 5 different tape selections. All these stickers are from years from Tesco's, which is why I'm trying to get rid of some of them. Sorry, I've just knocked the camera. My next selection of stickers are these beauties, which I'm going to put into 2 different bags. I've not numbered much yet. I've only numbered number 1, which was that freebie set, and number 24, which is an absolute gorgeous tape. But the rest, I'm just going to pack them up and then number them afterwards, so that I don't know what order they're coming in, which I'm quite excited about. For number 24, I also used one of these, which was quite blank, and put the number on the white space so that it didn't get as lost as number 1 did. And as I say, I've had these stickers years and I just kind of want to get rid of them. Oh, I've already put them in. That's why I can't find them. I don't have all 25 days. These stickers go up to 25, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to do 24 days or 25 days. I'm still unsure. I have done number 24, number 1, and I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more to package up. And then for the rest, I have asked my mum to buy me some random craft stuff, and I've explained what I'm doing. So she's helping me out to add some more unknowns to it, which is quite fun. I'm just thankful that I've got a mum who understands my projects, my ideas, and hopefully she will remind me that I made it, because I'm very good at forgetting. It's just making sure that everything sits nicely, and also I need to be able to store it for a year. Move the numbers out the way. So excited for my advent calendars. This year, my friends from work got me a Harry Potter Lego advent calendar, and then I got the Being Bethany Rose calendar. So, very exciting. What sort of advent calendars do you enjoy? No, once upon a time I did like beauty related ones. I'm putting multiple sticker packs into bags just so that they're not all of the same type. But what I'm going to do is finish the last few packages and I'm going to come back to you. So I've got all the stuff that I have bought from Journal Say into bags. What I'm going to do is add some stickers in no particular order onto these. Some of these stickers did not cut well, but we will make it work. We'll make it work as best as we can. As I say, I'm just doing random days for the different things. I've moved them around that much that I can't actually remember what's in what package anyway, which is good. And then with the stickers left over, I'll know how many I then need to fill. I do quite like the randomness of these stickers on the stripy paper. I am really lucky that I've just got bags of stuff lying around, and apart from the physical stuff inside, so far this hasn't actually cost me anything. Which is quite nice. I think all my tapes are done. Just got two more packets and then that's it. Wasn't expecting 19 to come off in 2 parts. Quite excited to open them for next year. So those are the numbers that I've got left. 25 I'm still debating whether I'll do a pack for. I just need to find a box to put them all in for December 2025, and hopefully I'll remember that I've done it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.